Mom, are you really sure about this woman?
I am not sure about her, but I am sure of my instinct.
What if she's Henrietta's mole? Have you thought of that?
I don't think so. She's well with her life. Let us try her.
Okay, if you say so.
I called you here to tell you that I have perfected my plans to marry Ebere. The marriage ceremony commences in a fortnight. I want you to make sure she is accepted by both of you.
Igwe, I don't have any problem. I am not a troubleshooter.
Excuse me? What do you mean by that? So I am the troubleshooter, right?
Oh, are you?
Hey. Stop it. I didn't invite you here to bandy words with one another. I did not.
Igwe, please, I would like to ask you a question. What if she does not give you a son? Are you going to marry another wife?
What sort of question is that? I am not answerable to you, of course. Yes.
Okay, there is no problem.
Henrietta, come back here.
It is a Game of Thrones.
I said come back
the
here.
queens and the
I am not
princesses.
done, Henrietta. Come back.
The end justifies the means. They want to get what they want by any means.
What is giving him? He's wasting my time.
My friend, please don't be offended. He will soon be here.
Yeah.
Oh, please, little patience, sir.
I've been staying here for a very long time.
Oh, here he comes.
Rod, I greet you. The majestic queen. Rod Odinenu, on top. On top. I greet you.
What has been keeping you?
Oh, you know, say all these my customers, they know sabi coordinate themselves. So I did to make sure say everything they run well before I come. But I still dey sorry if sir delay.
My queen, that is the young man I told you.
Oh. What is your name, young man?
My name na Ozo. Ozo Otenkwu. Otenkwu, the tapping tapper palm wine in Amuku. Best. One. One, Ozo one. Best wine. Ozo.
Also, I have an offer for you.
Hey, Roro, you get offer for me, also. Also, Roro, anything and everything, also deliver. Bam.
Everything?
In this village, Amuku, Imogbe, also deliver. Promise, everything, anything, everything.
take me out of here.
It is a game of thrones between the queens and the princesses. The end justifies the means. They want to get what they want by any means necessary. The end justifies the means. Evil, pride, envy.
My friend. Okay. I want me drink. Drink. My guy, shark.
Take a miss, don't.
You see, plenty still there from where this one come from. I don't mind to bring another 4 gallons. More finish am. Drink, my friend.
Also, so you want to make a high first before you could tell me what you will celebrate here?
My guy, I want to make your eye dirty. I want to make you drink because what I want to tell you now is heavy. I want to make you high so that you can feel understand that.
Okay, now when I don't high, so yeah, tell me. Tell me.
You see, my guy, Queen approached me today. You know what he tell me? He said make I marry his daughter. Queen said make I marry his daughter.
Wait. Which queen?
Queen Margaret, of course. Igwe first wife. He said make I marry his daughter. Also.
But make I hear what? Now lie, I not believe you.
Okay, you don't believe me? Eh, you see, I swear to you, if what I tell you now, na lie. If what I tell you so na lie, make the source of where they tap this palm wine from, make it dry. In fact, when I climb tree to tap palm wine, make her fall.
You don't need this serious for this matter.
Of course, na serious matter.
Wait, so you won't tell me say me and you won't begin married for the same house?
Exactly. Born queen.
Also.
Ogene.
Also, you know say na 4 princesses dey for that palace. I go marry one, you go marry one. The one go be your girlfriend, the other one go be my girlfriend.
Hey. Ogene.
Everyone don't balance.
You know this one here? Now you be like say your brain just talk something. Yes. You see this matter? Matter don't settle itself.
Everyone don't balance. Drink on my
Leave
friend.
Matter for Matthias. And Sabi for Sabino.
Also.
Every aboki with your own kettle and every malam with your own radio.
That is it, my friend. You know what? We don't take over the palace without.
Of course now.
I'll be telling you. If care is not taken, so we'll even add the queen them to our girlfriends.
Something they worry you. You won't commit abomination. That no concern me.
For you.
Chinkeme fogo. Ekwe no kwelugo. Oyizi bia cholo bucha. Okwifunu be melugo. My guy, drink.
Now you don't tell me the coconut.
I won't make
Give me more drink.
Shark, my guy. Hey. You see this one celebrates.
Celebration of.
Yes, what is it?
I'm sorry, my princess. I just want to tell you that my father and my mother are from Amuku. My great-grandfather, my great-great-great-great-great-grandfather are all from here. That's 4 generations.
Can you cut to the chase and tell me why you are wasting my time, fool?
My princess, I just want to let you know that I'm available for marriage.
You pathetic fool! How dare you call me out here to tell me this badadash? Do I look like your playmate?
I'm sorry, my princess. It's the devil. Please forgive me, forgive me.
And you will report to him in hell. The next time you think of telling me this rubbish, fool like you. What? Oh my God! Oh.
Human beings are so unpredictable. Look at the riffraff I picked up from the gutters to better her life. conniving with Margaret against me. She's selling me out to her.
Mom, are you sure it's not because you refused to pay her?
Who said I refused to pay her? As a matter of fact, I went to her house to pay her when I saw both of them.
I wonder what their plan is.
Whatever their plan may be, I will frustrate two of them. I will. What is wrong with your sister?
I don't know. Maybe her usual Obanje.
Stop that.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings to you too. Is my father in?
Yes, my princess.
Okay, I want to see him.
I'm sorry you can't, my princess.
And why is that?
He gave order not to be disturbed. I'm sorry, my princess.
But I usually come talk him to sleep every night.
That I know, my princess. But he gave instructions not to be disturbed by anyone.
Okay.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Mom, if marrying that palm wine tapper will make us succeed and get us through, it's okay. I will swallow my pride and marry him.
Oh, that's my daughter. You have just made mommy proud. My sweet. You know what? We are going to upgrade him, bring him to standard. You got to go, such a sianya, what a sianya. Not like that imbecile Henrietta got for her daughter. Thank you, thank you. Oh, thank you, thank you. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh, thank you. You just made my day. Omali Cham. Oh, Omali Cham. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy now.
Mom, what is going on? What are we celebrating?
Nothing.
Nothing. And you both are this happy?
You heard her. She says nothing.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bazafin, you want to know everything. Madam know all. What is it? Thank you so much. You just made my day. Thank you. That's my daughter. Thank you. Thank you. Oh.
Rebecca, what is the problem? You've been sitting down quiet without even saying a word to me. What is it?
Dad,
That's because I don't even know where to start from.
The beginning will be fine. Start from the top.
Charles, I feel I owe you an apology first. Please forgive me, please.
Forgive you for what?
For what I'm about to say.
Are you indirectly saying you don't love me anymore?
No, Charles. No. That is not it. I love you. I love you very much, and that is the problem.
Vika, tell me. How is that a problem? How?
It has blinded me a lot. I don't even see my family anymore, and I am always having problems with my mom.
Vika, you're not making any point. You're not making sense. Tell me exactly the way it is, okay? Just say it.
I think we should take a break. At least to think things through.
Really?
Yes.
Are you stylishly dumping me? No. Is that what you're doing?
No. That is not it. I mean, that's not the...
Then what is the point? What is the point, Rebecca? Because it seems you obviously thought about this whole thing before coming here.
Charles, please, calm down. Bring your voice down, I beg you. Charles, I love you. I really do. I love you.
Pass the door. Get out.
Are you asking me to leave your house?
Becca, go to your mother. Let her produce the man that will love and protect you. Get out of my house.
Charles, please. Let us talk. Please. Let us talk.
Rebecca, get out. Don't make me force you because it will never be romantic.
It is a game of thrones between the queens and the princesses. The end justifies the means. They want to get what they want by any means necessary. The end justifies the means. Evil, pride, envy are their weapons of war. The end justifies the means. The end justifies the means.
What are you doing here? Who are you looking for?
I'm sorry to disturb you, my queen. I just came into the palace. I decided to come and greet you, my queen.
Greet me? As what? Your friend? Your mother? Playmate or what? Listen, and listen good. The next time you bring your filthy feet into this wing of the palace, you will not like what I'll do to you. You will see my true color. Get out.
Sorry, Your Majesty.
What did you go there to do?
My king, I only went there to greet her. That's all. And she heard insults at me.
You must learn to use long spoon while eating with the devil. You know she hates you. And by the way, you have no obligation to greet her. You are not her maid.
It's okay, my dear. Don't mind her. She's just envious of you. You are going to be the next queen of this kingdom. Obviously, she can't deal with that. It's okay, oh?
Thank you, Your Majesty.
It's okay, it's okay.
From here, I'll take you to a boutique. I need to get Alvin clothes for you. You know, clothes that will befit the kind of status you'll be portraying from now on. Okay? Then, I will give you some money. From there, you pay my bride price. Okay? That settles it.
Princess Lulu, Princess Lubeka of the Majestic Loyal Majestica. So, you mean say you go give me money? Another money after the one where you don't first give me, make I baff up like this.
Can you tone down your voice?
Princess Lebuka, you wonderful. Don't worry, eh? I go show you love. I go show you love from the Genesis. On top, on top. This food sweet, oh.
What's going on here?
I don't understand.
Rick, I won't ask you again. What is going on here? I need you to explain some things to me.
Things like what?
Who is this? This thing.
His name is Ozo. My husband-to-be.
What? Rebecca, did I hear you well? So you want to leave me for this thing? This lunatic? This imbecile?
Hey.
Look, I thought you had class.
Oh boy. So, now me you dey call this thing.
Are you kidding me?
Now me you dey open this your mouth, they call this thing. Me, also.
Are you for real? You're dumping me for an illiterate. A bushman. Oh, come on, Rebecca. I expected more from you.
What is your problem? How is it your business?
Hey, what are you going to do?
I mean they call bushmeat. Me.
Yeah, what are you going to do?
Also.
No.
What are you going to do? A primate? You're a bushman.
You dey call me bushman.
What are you going to do, huh?
Me. Also, now you dey call bushman.
Bushman.
I go design your face.
You are a bushman, and I'll call you that again and again and again. Hey,
baby, calm down.
I expected more from you.
You dey call me bushman.
No, stop!
Just stop it! I mean, you dey call bushman, eh? I go. Baby, put down. Let me.
Mommy, Ozo is a strong man. Huh? Very strong man. In fact, I never knew he was that strong. You should have seen what he did to Charles today. Eh? Mommy. So, what really happened? We were there, eating, gisting, and generally having fun. All of a sudden, Mr. Tush barged into the place and started insulting Ozo. Huh? Before I could say Jack, Ozo carried him up like a baby and dashed him on the ground like a pack of cards.
minutes.
Ego inflated, just like that.
You should have seen me.
Your Majesty.
What is it?
Food is ready.
Okay, she's coming.
I'll soon be there. I'm coming. Eh? Tell me something.
He met his match. No. He met more than his match.
Tell me something.
More than he bargained for. I am very sure next time he won't even try it again.
Jagam again. Jagam, you will avoid me from today.
Your Highness, I greet you. My nephew here has been giving me sleepless nights.
Yes.
Telling me that he has found a precious jewel in your palace.
Yes.
And that he cannot come here to take the precious jewel alone. And that is why we have come here, Your Highness. And we came with these drinks.
You may have your seat.
Yeah. Thank you, Your Highness.
Thank you, Highness.
Young man. Igwe.
What is your name?
Igwe. Ozo.
Yes.
Oh, my name is Ozo.
Yeah.
Are you not Otenko?
Igwe. Otenko na old school name. Na my nickname before. Now, Ozo, I don't change.
Yeah, yes, Ozo.
Ozo.
Yeah, Ozo.
Now I go, I come back. I do business, people respond, I make money. I make plenty money.
Good businessman. Yeah, good business.
I'm a JJ na bata. Yes. I'm an international businessman now.
Yes.
I see.
Have you people decided to mock me?
I don't understand. Daddy, what did I do?
The other day, Lydia came in with a deformed man. And this time, you have come with a palm white dapper. Huh? What is actually going on in this palace? Is there anything I have not been told?
Nothing is going on, Daddy, other than the fact that my love is coming to pay my bride price.
Love? Did I hear you say love? What about the young man you brought the other day?
Charles? Daddy, please. He's history.
Why?
Daddy, we are incompatible. And he is an overbearing freak whose only intention is to ride over me. So, I had to call it quits.
It is a game of thrones between the queens and the princesses. The end justifies the means. They want to get what they want by any means necessary. The end justifies the means. Evil, pride, envy are their weapons of war. The end justifies the means.
Chief Person, I am ashamed of my daughters. Why must they condescend so low to think about marrying those imps in the name of claiming right to the throne? Why?
Your Majesty, what are you going to do now? Because they don't seem to be backing down at all. They don't.
I am going to leave them to continue fooling themselves. When it is ripe, the truth will be unfolded. That's exactly what I will do.
Okay, Your Majesty. But no matter what they do, don't take it hard on yourself. Remember what the doctor said about your health status. Please, do remember.
I remember. Thank you very much, Chief Dawson. Thank you.
You're welcome, Your Majesty.
My king, the day is fast spent. I will leave as soon as we're done eating. Yes.
But I thought you were going to sleep over. I asked my maid to prepare a bed for you.
I thought I could, but I didn't discuss it with my mother. She may be furious.
I understand. Anyway, my driver will take you home when you are ready.
It's okay, Your Highness.
Is that all right?
Yes.
I hope you are enjoying this meal.
Yes, I am.
That's good.
What is it? Hey! No. No, please, you can't do that. No. Oh, yeah, like that. God, make that. Hey! Hey, I'm not happy. What is that?
My king.
Celestine, why are you sweating?
My king.
Where are you coming from?
There is trouble, my king.
Trouble?
Yes, my
What
king.
trouble?
I got word from the hospital that the bearer is in intensive care unit.
What happened to Ebere?
The doctor said she was poisoned, my king.
Ebere poisoned?
Yes, my
Who
king.
Who poisoned her?
I wouldn't know, my king.
Quickly go and get the car ready. I must see her.
My king, I advise you see her tomorrow. It's already late.
Celestine, Ebere is my wife-to-be. Go and get the car ready. I must see her.
Yes,
Quick.
my king.
Uncle, what did they keep them now?
Well, let's just wait. Your Majesty.
You're welcome, sir. Welcome.
Your loyal, majestic majesty.
You're welcome.
Your Majesty, we have been waiting for the king to come out for what seemed like donkey years. There is no sign of him. What is really happening? Is he really around?
Yes, he's around. Just to be patient, let me call him.
Oh, all right.
I'm coming. You're welcome.
Princess Lubeka. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful, Princess Lubeka.
Wait, let us see her.
It is a game of thrones between the queens and the princesses. The end justifies the means. enemies. They want to get what they want by any means necessary. The end justifies the means.
Your Majesty.
Evil, pride, envy.
I want to have a word with the king.
The king is indisposed at the moment.
Some people are here to see him.
I'm sorry, my queen, but the king is not ready to see anyone.
Get out of the way!
With all due respect, my queen, I won't step aside.
Why?
Because he asked me not to let anyone in.
If those in-laws of mine walk away without seeing the king, I am going to deal with you.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Silly!
Evil, pride, envy are their weapons of war. The end justifies the means. Oh, oh, oh. The end justifies the means. Oh, oh, oh. The end justifies the means.
I don't know.
It is a game of thrones between the queens and the princesses. The end justifies the means. They want to get what they want by any means necessary. The end justifies the means. Evil, pride, envy are their weapons of war. The end justifies the means.
How can Daddy do this to me? How? What did I do to deserve this kind of humiliation? What? How can he do this to me?
I have the feelings that Henrietta is behind all this. But I swear, her daughter can never get married. Her daughter can never get married to that imbecile as long as mine remains unmarried. Never!
But Mom, it will be very unfair of you to be apportioning blames right now. What if God is involved in this? What if God doesn't want Sis to get married to that man?
What will God say if I punch you in your face? Silly! Must you talk in everything discussed in this palace? Don't you ever talk again if you don't have a reasonable thing to say. My daughter, it's okay. It's okay. Is it not me again? Don't worry yourself. I must get to the root of this. Trust me. Okay? It's okay.
poison in this palace? You two have some explanation to make.
I swear, Your Majesty, we didn't know how it happened.
Yes, Your Majesty. We both prepared the food and we tested it.
Stop lying. Both of you have just compromised your jobs. That means my children and I are not safe in this palace anymore. Both of you will surely go in for it.
Your Majesty, we are innocent. We didn't do anything.
Yes. Will you shut up? Shut up.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
What?
The king summons you.
I've heard. Shut up.
It is not possible. It is not poison. I ate with her. And besides, she has been cooking for us.
I know, Your Highness. I know. But I just don't want us to rule out that possibility.
They are not responsible. They are not. Someone used voodoo to kill her. Someone who does not want to see us together. Yes. You have succeeded, right?
Excuse me, Your Highness. Succeeded? How do you mean?
Don't pretend you do not know what we are talking about. I know it. I know you do not like her. I know you do not want her in this palace.
Your Highness, are you by any chance accusing me of killing Ebere?
Don't worry. Don't worry. I must get to the root of this matter. I must find out he or she who killed him. But before then, I don't want any one of you to talk anything about marital life in this palace. Do I make myself clear?
The heart of man is full of wickedness beyond what you can see. But what's in the
You all are aware of the current situation in the palace. Am I right?
Yes, Your Majesty.
I know you all like to gossip. You like to talk. This matter is a serious and sensitive one. I don't want gossips or whispers. I don't want to hear he said, she said, they said, else you will be penalized. Have I made myself clear?
My beautiful wives and daughters, I called you here to inform you that I will be embarking on a trip to clear my head. Celestine and Chizoba shall go with me. Do you know who of this kingdom shall take over the administrative affairs? Margaret shall be in charge of domestic affairs. I've been able to reach Mr. Jonathan on how you are going to get your finances as at when due. I don't want to come back to meet this palace in shambles. You all must respect delegated authorities, because a lot of havoc has greeted this kingdom in recent times, and I don't want it to continue. Is there any question?
Dad.
Yes.
Can I come with you?
No, my dear daughter. Maybe some other time. Is that okay by you? That's all right.
Dad, Ogene and his people are supposed to come and pay my bride price.
Let them wait until I am back. If that is all, you are all dismissed.
It is a game of thrones between the queens and the princesses. The end justifies the means. They want to get what they want by any means necessary. The end justifies the means. Evil.
Good day, my queen. Please, I would like to see the king. He's on seat.
Do I look like the king's keeper to you?
It's your Menka.
Good day, my king.
Good day, Chief. I overheard you asking to see the king.
Yes, but your co-wife response was something else. Is she alright?
I wouldn't know. You know everyone has his or her own problem. Well, the king traveled out of the country.
I hope everything is alright because I was not informed.
It was a last-minute call. Everything is fine. I hope there is no problem.
Not at all. Not at all.
Come in.
It's alright.
Mommy Berry, I heard what happened. I'm sorry that I've not come to see you. Please take heart. May the Lord accept her soul. She was my very good friend back then in school. I don't know why.
Good day, Mama.
Good day, my daughter.
Mommy Berry, I will be on my way. See you some other time, okay?
Thank you.
Take heart.
How are you doing, Mama?
I am fine, my daughter.
Mama, I am really sorry for your loss. Iberi was such a good woman. She doesn't deserve the way she died. I am sorry.
What did I do? Onye ka m mejọ? Onye ka m mejọ?
Mama, you did nothing wrong. Sometimes bad things happen to good people. Not because you did anything wrong.
But why? Why should bad things happen to good people and good things happen to bad people? Why? Why?
Mama, I do not have answers to your questions. Only God knows why this had to happen. But I assure you that He won't allow the killers of your daughter to go unpunished. They won't walk out of this. Mama, please take heart. Lean on God, and He will wipe away your tears and console you. Please, I am sorry. Please take heart. Take heart. God will console you.
How are you all? Oh, my beautiful daughter. How are you? Oh, you're welcome.
Welcome, Daddy.
Thank you very
That
much,
was
my
a
dear.
trip.
It was wonderful.
Daddy.
Oh, you're welcome, my dear.
Daddy, you look good.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my darling husband.
How are you?
You're highly welcome.
Thank you. Where is Sarita?
Oh, she's inside.
Yes.
Why is she not here to welcome you? Huh? Anyway, that is not the problem.
Tell her you're welcome. Inside.
Come on, let's go inside. It was very...
Dad.
Yes, sir.
I've come to tell you that Ogene and his people are ready to come and complete the marital rites.
I am not ready for now.
But Dad, you said you will receive them as soon as you return.
And I said, I am not ready for now. When the time comes, I will let you know. Hmm?
Hey, come on. Okay.
What's up?
I said, come here.
Wait. Let me look on.
So, as if it's so, come first. Come. You don't get eye to see anymore. I don't small like ant. You say, you just the Galivan, the Wakanda pastor, you don't see me.
What I want to take your face do?
Your face they bring money. Eh? Come, it be like say your village people, they don't follow you.
Wait, okay. Okay. You don't know say as you see me, you suppose greet me.
Me greet you?
You suppose greet me also. You suppose say...
Wait. I suppose greet you. As in onto waiting now. Eh? No, since when that one start, I won't understand.
Oh, wait. Wait, make I educate you because obviously say, you don't get sense. As it be so now, where I want marry Princess Lubeka, I don't turn the future king of this palace. You see everything waiting for here now, go soon become my own. So if you get sense by now, you suppose don't they submit so that I go bring you onto the next level. If you see me, you suppose greet.
See, future king. Hey! My friend, get away from here.
Come. I say come here. So, na me they talk to like this now. Na me they talk to like this now. I go mend you as to be like yesterday newspaper so. Let me alone. Are you alright?
It is your boyfriend. This is your deformed boyfriend that is sick. Don't fight. The next time your filthy hand touches my husband, I will deal with you. And if I do, what will you do? What will you do?
I will make you. You see how you feel like question mark?
Are you stupid? Go away.
I will make you.
You didn't have to go fighting.
Mom, I had to. That useless Pamointapa had the effrontery to fight my man, asking him to bow down to him.
As what?
As the next king.
Butterfly calling itself a bird.
Mom, don't dismiss it. I heard that Dad is grooming that idiot to take over from him.
No. The Igwe cannot try it. No, it's not possible.
Mom, Lydia is right. They hired a teacher who comes here to teach him every day.
Are you sure about this?
I'm sure, Mom. That is what gave that animal the boldness to embarrass my man.
Could that be the reason your father does not want to get his people to come and pay your bride price?
I can hardly doubt that.
The king's body is still at the mortuary. And the both of you are here, fighting over his wealth.
Oh no. Yes. Talk to her. Talk to this woman. She is the sensitive one.
You are very stupid.
You are very stupid.
You are stupid.
You are. If I
don't make me get something from you. If I do, are you mad?
Stop! Okay. Haven't you discredited his memory enough? Eh?